Today, we are unboxing, inspecting, and installing a new BEILITE hydraulic breaker. This is a brand new BEILITE BLT 215 hydraulic breaker, delivered and ready for operation. The first step is to remove the protective wooden crate and carefully inspect the breaker to ensure everything is in perfect condition before installation. Next, the excavator is positioned to lift the breaker and move it into place. Before mounting, we thoroughly check the excavator's hydraulic hoses and connections to ensure compatibility and reliable hydraulic performance. Once all inspections are completed, the breaker is carefully aligned and securely installed onto the excavator. Proper installation is essential for maintaining stability, maximizing efficiency, and ensuring smooth operation on the job site. With the breaker body firmly mounted, the final step is installing the chisel tool. This critical component transfers the breaker's powerful impact energy directly to the material, delivering the performance needed for demanding rock breaking and demolition applications. After installation and final checks, the BEILITE BLT 215 hydraulic breaker is ready to get to work, providing powerful impact force, reliable performance, and the durability professionals depend on every day. BEILITE hydraulic breakers, built for productivity, built for reliability.